Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. This Friday morning, we are now once again going to run Alpha One iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can run complete for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video, you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put that below the video. Also below the video you find a link to my free Telegram signal group for Forex, so if you are interested about that, check it out. But now, let's start up Alpha One iBot. And just like that, we got another beautiful trade with Alpha One iBot. What we can see here now that once again we just got this 20% trade, and that is a little boring. So I did see every single pair. I forgot to check Ethereum, but every other single pair had 75% or more, but Ethereum had 20. Okay, we won. We are one more step closer to 600, taking a little longer than normal, as I do only one trade a day, but still I'm happy. We are building count, and that's the most important. So with that, have an amazing day.